This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Carswell. Come view one of the very first homes built in Chesapeake Estates that sits on over a half-acre lot with views of the lake. This home features an open floor plan and large rooms. The living room, dining room, family room and oversized kitchen provide great space for entertaining. This home even has a sun room. Additionally, there is a first-floor primary bedroom and bath with a door to step out on the deck. This home also features 3 additional bedrooms and 1.5 baths outside of the primary bed and bath. The exterior of the home is quite quiet and shaded. There is an attached 2-car garage, multi-space driveway and curbing directly in front of the home that provides ample space for parking. This home is in the Western Branch School District and is in a great location convenient to interstates, shopping, and restaurants. Despite this home being sold as is,